Hey you guys, welcome back. What's up? I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning so far. On Friday, I asked you guys on YouTube what you guys wanted me to do with this box. We just received the Trendmood box, which I'm super excited about. But I didn't know if you guys wanted to see an unboxing because we kind of already know what's inside the box, but like a try on and unboxing, or if you guys just wanted me to add it to a haul. And I actually, surprisingly enough, got a lot more people wanted to see the unboxing and a try on. We're gonna go ahead and play around with some of the items because there are some makeup items, some new products inside this box that we're gonna try out together. And yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, I welcome you to hang out with us for a while, and hopefully you'll subscribe and be a part of our family. And nonetheless, we're just gonna go ahead and get diving right into it. I used a purple and a red depositor, and it got like all over my neck, and usually it's not a big deal because I usually wear like a long sleeve or my hair's down, but of course, like, you know, I just did it yesterday, and of course it's like fresh, and I didn't think I was going to be wearing a short sleeve today, but I am, so we might cover it up, we might not, I don't know, and we'll see how I'm feeling. So you open it up and it says scan me, and then it says that if you scan it, oh, awesome. So when you scan it, it'll actually pop up everything that's in here, what it retails for and all that stuff, which I love. I think if more companies went towards that, I think it would be way more useful. Let me know down below if any of you guys got the Trendmood #1 box. I don't remember what was in it, but if you guys did, let me know, and let me know what your thoughts were on it. So I do have 2 skincare products in here. So the first one I have is by Ren. This is the Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. It says that you can pick this up at Sephora, and it retails for $32. And then the next thing I have is by Skin Fix. This is the Lipid Boost 360 Eye. I think this is an eye cream. It says that it's supposed to target hydration, dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines around the lid. And this retails for $40. I'll put this back here. All right. So I will let you guys know how that works out for me. But then the next 3 things we have are all makeup. So the first thing, which is one of the 2 reasons why I bought this box, was the Farsali Liquid Powder. This is an oil balancing serum with French clay, pink clay, with French pink clay. So this is actually one of the products I wanted to try out. The next 2 products we have are brushes and then the Latte palette, Latte 2 palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I'll do my base alone, and then we'll do the eyes together. So it says shake well. We're going to shake this bitch good. We're going to shake you real good. Apply sparingly over the entire face or to oily areas. You can blend with your fingertips or a damp sponge if for some reason you get too much powder. Ooh, this is weird. It's like chunky kind of. So there are like little chunks of things inside of it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like kind of chunky. It kind of looks like milk that went bad. So let's start with our forehead. Oh gosh, I'm like nervous. And just rub it until it becomes a dry powder. Oh, let's try this too. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh, I don't like that. Look at that. It's like my skin is peeling. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, ew, ew. Oh, I don't like that feeling. You know what it looks like? It looks like, you know when your moisturizer and then like your primer don't set well together, and it starts to like, is it coagulate? Is that what the word I'm looking for? But it like starts to like ball up. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like in between my fine lines, there's like white powder. Or like white stuff. I'm just worried about it like breaking my foundation up. So I have a wet sponge. I'm just going to go over it really quick. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. I definitely need to go in with a primer though, because my pores are still super enlarged. How it's going to work with another primer. So I'm going to take my Tatcha, and I'm just going to put it right here, only in the areas where my pores are super enlarged. I'm not going to massage. I'm actually going to pat in. I'm a little concerned about massaging. My thing with that is that if you massage that much, I almost am scared, like if you have any dry patches or anything, will you exfoliate your skin and then kind of lift up those dry patches? You know what I mean? I definitely think this is one of those products where I'm going to have to try it out a few times before I can say whether or not I like it. It just looks really gross, that's all. Let's apply foundation together so we can see how it does together. I'm going to go in with my Stay Naked foundation, 40 NN and 50 WY. All right, so first layer seems fine. We'll see how it holds up. Let's see if it helps with like my oils and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish up with like my face and my base, and then we're going to move into the eye look for today. So I'll be right back. So the last two items for the box that we have is the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette, which I'm very excited. This was the other thing I wanted so bad from that box. And then you get 10 shades. And then these three right here, I do believe can be used as color correctors. And then this could also be used as a blush. So there you have all 10 shades. So here's Latte 1 and then here's Latte 2, if you guys wanted to see some side-by-sides. I will say that she did the kind of the same layout where these three right here are your metallics, and then the rest of them right here are your mattes. I would say that maybe, I don't know, I'm looking to see if maybe any of them, no, not even. They're not similar at all. So that's good to see that she's got a lot of different variations. I think this is really pretty altogether. I do want to dive into Strawberry Milk, and I actually want to use that as a cheek color. And I'm going to be really careful because I want to, this color is super pigmented, like I just tapped it, so. I'm going to use Strawberry Milk for my cheeks. It's like super rich and pink. I love it. And then the last thing in the box is the Sigma and Trendmood. This is the eye trio that comes with it. So you do get 3 brushes. It says that you get the blending brush, the pencil brush, and then a tapered blending brush. I'm going to take Blonde Roast, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. That's a really intense color. And my eyeshadow is set already, so I do have another layer underneath. Like, I expect this kind of intensity if my eyes weren't set and there was just concealer, but my eyes are set. I really like this color. All right, that is like really good intense pigment. I'm gonna go in with Frothy and put that on the inner corner with the pencil brush. It gets pretty dark. Like, you go from the yellow and then you just dive right into the darkness. I'm going to take that Sigma E25 and I'm going to start off with Cafecito, and I'm going to take that, oh, there it is. And I'm going to start to build it into my crease area. Oh, that is pigmented. What's weird is that when I did the hand swatch, I felt like it really didn't do that great of a job, but it is pigmented. I'm going to take this right here, which is a Violet Voss. It's just a really small little pencil. And I'm going to take a little bit of Strawberry Milk and use that to kind of blend out these edges. I feel like this color comes off a lot richer and more deeper than it does in the palette. Like, in the palette, it looks a little bit warmer, but on the lid, just with the way it's working for me, it's coming off a lot of a more cooler color, which is not a bad thing. I actually like it, but that's just what I'm noticing with the palette. So, yeah, I want it to be a little bit sharp, so I'm going to do that really quick. But I love Sigma brushes. Sigma brushes are some of my favorite brushes. I've talked about that before on my channel. I do have a discount code with them. I never really promote it. I know it's terrible, but I'm not one to throw codes at you. It's down in the description box if you guys would like to use it. I'm going to take that same brush and let's try to dive into Coffee Bean, which is just a little bit of a richer color. I'm going to pack that right here on the lid and into the crease. Let me go ahead and do this eye and then I will be right back. All right, so I'm just finishing up cutting the crease for the colors. I'm going to go in and take the shade Iced Coffee, and I'm going to pack that first on the outer corners right here. I forgot to mention, but there is not very much fallout, which I'm very, very much impressed with. And then I'm just going to take that same brush, flip it over, and I think I want to take this shade. I'm a little bit nervous. I might have to, ooh, this one I feel like I might need a little bit of adhesive for it because there are a lot of glitter chunks to it. I feel like it might be better with my finger. Let's try my finger. There we go. All right, let me go ahead and do this eye. All right, so we got that second eye done. I'm just going back in with a little bit of this Frothy shade. It is so beautiful on the inner corner, so I'm just taking that there before I use this pencil brush for the lower lash line. I'm going to take Coffee Bean, and I'm going to run that up against my lower lash line. Blend that right into the outer corner. And then I'm going to go in with the pencil brush, and I'm going to take Café con Leche, and I'm going to use that to buff out the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead, pop on some lashes, finish up my lip color, and fix my hair, and then I will come back and talk to you guys about them. So I went ahead and I did my hair. I finished off on my face. And if you guys are wondering what I have on my lips, I decided to go in with the Dominique Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nude Kiss. I do like her formula. It's really good. I still have to try out like the 2 skincare items, which, I mean, I'm okay with skincare, although I think I would have been a little bit happier had she just had the box came with just makeup, but that's just my personal preference. Nonetheless, I definitely think the box was worth it, even if the skincare items weren't really like my cup of tea, just because I wanted that palette alone, and that palette I believe retails for about $42. So for $50, I get all these extra added perks to the box. The other product that I know I really wanted in here was the Farsali product, so I was really excited to try this out. It's going to take a little bit of use to getting to see. I'm interested to see how it wears tonight and see if it actually contains or controls my oils. And then the brushes. Sigma brushes are amazing. I have tons of Sigma brushes. And I love that she chose 3 brushes in her trio that are staple brushes that you know you'll use every day. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down below if you guys are going to try to get the next box, or if you guys are interested in the palette alone. I definitely say jump on the palette. If you guys have tried Dominique Cosmetics, or even if you haven't tried her formula, you need to try it. Like, her formula is so good. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate the love and support you guys are giving me. Also, make sure to hit that notification. I will see you guys with a new video tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. I will be back. I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.